Senator Kelly.
Thank you, Chairman. I also want to welcome Nessa here today. You're very, very welcome. I also want to compliment you, Nessa, on your stance in relation to austerity, something that I totally agree with, and indeed so does the IMF. I spent 28 years before I came into the Seanad working as a community welfare officer, dealing with people on the margins. And at the time, you were mainly dealing with a lot of people that were on social welfare. But the new poor today are the middle income earners, the guards, the nurses, the teachers, and all of them. And there is no more blood that can be taken or sucked out of them. And, you know, I feel very strongly along your own lines that there has to be another way forward. I think we've done, as Senator Whelan said there, or I think Senator Landy that said, best boy in the class, you know. I think we've done fairly much as we can do right now, and that there has to be another way forward. But what I really want to mention too, you know, and I'm not sure, Nessa, if it's an area, I know you're on the Environment Committee, but it's an area that you have much expertise in, I don't know, but the whole area of wind energy. For the last 14 months, I'm blowing the same trumpet here. I brought a bill to this House, and it passed second stage in this House, about minimum distances that wind turbines should be from family homes. And basically, the nuts and bolts of the bill was that the taller the turbines were, the farther they must be set back from family homes. Now, it didn't get any support once it left this House, and it's parked, as Senator Layton predicted, with all his experience in this House. But the bottom line is, the bottom line, Nessa, is that there are many articles written in the British Medical Journal suggesting that there are health implications for living too close to these wind turbines through, you know, nausea and sleep deprivation and, in some cases, cancer and heart attacks. And, you know, the Irish Wind Energy Association, even though they're a big, big lobby group, they're not able to counter those articles that are written in the journal. So I'm just wondering, from your perspective in Europe, have you heard any debate amongst other countries in relation to these massive wind turbines and wind farms that are planned for all over our country and have, you know, that have been planned for other countries? And as you can see, the UK have decided now they've had enough of them, and they're asking us to erect them in our country to destroy our landscape for the provision of their power. So I'm just wondering, from a European point of view, is there any talk in relation to wind farm developments and wind energy? And like, I did meet the Finnish ambassador here one time some months ago, and I just asked him, I told him the problems that we're having in this country with wind farm developments too close to people's homes, and I said, what's your policy in Finland? And he said, it's like this. He said, if people don't want them, we don't force them on them. You know, but that is not the policy in this country, because it's government policy to proceed with reaching certain targets, and they're actually foisted on people. So I'd like, if it's not an area of strong expertise on your behalf, maybe at some stage you might follow up on it for me and just, you know, get some feedback to us on it. Thanks.
Kelly, please. Deputy Childers.